Hello everybody and welcome back to my kitchen. It's Italian week because now we're making lasagna, and I'm doing it just slightly different because I'm using ostrich mince instead of beef mince. It's just better for you and it's tasty and it's really lean and it's good. It's delicious. I love it. So for our lasagna, what we're going to do is make a basic, easy bolognese sauce and a bechamel sauce, a cheese sauce essentially, and then we make our lasagna. It's so easy, so quick. You just pop it in the oven for like 30 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. So let's get going. I'm gonna show you what you need for my super simple, easy bolognese sauce. Okay, so what you need, I'm making a lot. I have 2 packs of ostrich beef, of ostrich mince, not ostrich beef, that's not a thing. I have about 3 tomatoes all chopped up here, 50 grams of tomato paste. I have some thyme and oregano, and about 2-3 cloves of garlic. I really like garlic, all chopped up nice and finely. And then 1 onion and 2 tins of diced tomatoes, just to make it a little bit more saucy. Let's get to it. So what you do is you throw in your onions and we just kind of cook those on a low heat until they're translucent. I have a wooden thing. Okay, they're getting there. Throw in your garlic and now we're going to throw in our mince. So whatever mince you have, if it's ostrich, if it's beef, whatever, just throw it in there. I like to try and break it up a little bit so that breaking it up in the pot isn't such a big deal. It is also at this point in time that I like to add my herbs, just so the flavor really gets into the meat there. Add some salt, add some pepper. This is my cooking face. Alright, now we add our tomatoes because our mince is mostly cooked. It's still a little bit pink, but that's okay because it will continue to cook. So we're going to add our tomato chunks, our tomato juice, yum, and our tomato paste. Splat. It's all over my fingers, no. My fingies! And just mix that in. I think it's bechamel. I think I forgot to write the L down. Okay, awesome. Throw in a little bit more salt and pepper, and then we get to put that on a low heat and leave it to simmer for a bit. And while we do that, I like my salt. While we do that, we're going to make the bechamel, the cheese sauce. We're going to make that. Please correct me on my pronunciation of things if you know how to pronounce these things. Mum, please. I don't know what I'm saying. All right, and put that over there on a low heat. Yay, and we just leave that to do its thing. All right, now what we need for our sauce is 1 hecaton of cheese. A hecaton of cheese. We need some flour, some milk, a hecaton of milk, butter, Old English mustard, and cayenne pepper, and salt. All right, so what's the first thing we must do? Make a roux. We need some butter. We need a spoon. I don't know, I'm kind of winging these measurements, so there's butter. I need a teaspoon now for the English mustard. I don't know, like this much? Depends how much mustard you want in your sauce. I'm winging it. Then some cayenne pepper. Some salt, just a touch. And some flour. This is how things go wrong. All right, and we just mix that up, make it into a roux. So that is kind of roux-y. It's roux-ish. It's RuPaul's Drag Race. Trying to break into the milk. It's like Prison Break, but not quite. All right, you just throw some in there. Quite a bit. Put it on the heat. I need a whisk. Magic, thank you. You just want to break up that roux and mix it nicely into your milk. Look at this roux all over my whisk. Get off. Get off of there. You ain't getting none of my lint. All right, now we can start adding cheese. You just mix it in and you melt it up, and we're gonna make quite a lot of this sauce, so it should be good. Should be great, should be grand. Everything is done. So now, all right, get your lasagna dish. Get your grated parmesan and get your lasagna sheets. Okay, so you I need a spoon. A spoon. Then we add your mince, your bolognese, your whatever you want to call it. Okay, my lasagna sheets. Then where is my ladle? My ladle. Your bechamel sauce. Mine looks not so fantastic. That cheese did not properly do its thing. This does not look fantastic. It's fine. This is very liquidy. Then grated parmesan. Then mince. All right, camera stopped recording. So add your lasagna bits and pieces to the top after your mince. And then I'm going to add more bechamel sauce. And some parmesan. There you go. And then you pop that into the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Set the timer. Cool, so I'll see you in 30 minutes. Okay, cool, they are done. They are cooked, they are delicious. I burnt myself trying to get those out of the oven. That's fine. That's fine. Let me show you. I've been abandoned. There they are, my two beautiful lasagnes. They look so good. Now, I'm not going to cut these up or try some because I have made these for someone else. Okay, scratch that. I've been given permission to taste it. I'm gonna taste it. It's so good. That is so good. I made a good lasagna. A good lasagna. It's so tasty. It's so tasty. It's super tasty. Highly suggest you try this recipe. It's delicious. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of it down in the comment section below, especially if you tried this recipe. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you have any questions on ostrich meat and why I love it so much, go ahead and ask. And if you would like to support me and this channel, then please subscribe. All right, have a wonderful day and I will see you in the next video. Bye.